In this video, I'm going to be talking about sysfs or sysfs. Sysfs is a pseudo file system provided by the Linux kernel that exports information about various kernel subsystems, hardware devices, and associated device drivers from the kernel's device model to user space through virtual files. What does that mean? What really is sysfs? Sysfs is a pseudo or synthetic file system that exists to tell the kernel to put certain types of information into the sys directory. That's pretty much why it exists. What is the difference between sysf and devfs and procfs? Dev and proc are virtual directories like sys, and dev and proc and sys all have their own synthetic file systems. Proc has procfs, dev has devfs, sys has sysfs. The reason for the synthetic file system is so each file system can tell the kernel to put a particular type of information into each of its respective directories. Procfs will tell the kernel to put specific type of information into the proc directory. Devfs tells the kernel to put a specific type of information into the dev directory. Sysfs tells the kernel to put a specific type of information into the sys directory. Proc, devfs, and sfs or sysfs are all just synthetic file systems that exist specifically for the purpose of putting specific information from the kernel into a directory. Procfs, devfs, sysfs, these are all synthetic file systems that are needed for various things, but most importantly as an abstraction layer so that the kernel can talk to computer devices and that the kernel can display information for human users. Why does sysfs exist? Sysfs exists to tell the kernel to put certain types of information into the sys directory. And there you go. That is what sysfs is.